In this video, I'm going to show you how to build Brave Search Chatbot with N8N. So firstly, open up N8N and log into your N8N account. So once you've logged into your N8N, so here, click on Create Workflow on your top right there. So to create a new automation, so click on it and then you will get to this screen here. So here, click on the Add First Step here. So click on it, and then once you click on it, it will open up this dialog box here. In the search bar here, search for Brave. When you search for Brave, then click on this Brave Search, click on it, and then hit on this install node to install it. So hit on the install node, okay, and once that's done, once the installation is complete, so here under the actions here, you're going to choose search the web. So for example, you can choose any of these, but in this case I'll just choose search the web. Okay, depending on your use case, you can do that. And then here you'll get this screen, this box here, where you're going to set up the parameters. So for the credentials, you're going to click on it and then select create new credentials. For this, you might need the API key, so plug in the API key from Brave, and then once that's done, hit on save. Once that's done, then the operation, you can choose what you want to do with it. For example, here I want a web search, so do the web search, and then the query, and then you can set a count for this. When do you want to count for this? And then once you have set up everything, and you have additional settings here under the settings option to set up, and you can set it up if you want to, or you can just leave it as it is. And once you're done with everything, hit on execute step here. Once that's done, click on back to Canva. So when you click on back to Canva here, you'll see the connection has now been set up. You can test it by clicking on execute workflow. And that's basically it is.